We're by the beach front. Hello guys, so we're now here at Pattaya. So, bili muna kami sa 7-Eleven. Bili muna kami ng something sa 7-Eleven, food and drink. Sobrang gutom and uhaw na rin. So we're now here at the moment, literally. So it's a cafe, first cafe namin, cafe stop restaurant dito sa Pattaya. Ito yung view namin. We're by the beach front. Pero hindi pa mag-swimming. This is our super late lunch kasi mag 3 PM na din. Ang naging biyahe namin from Bangkok to Pattaya is 2 hours plus kasi may mga stopover. Instead na bus ay nag-UV kami. And grabe yung ayos ng sistema here and the food is really reasonable, the pricing. Pero hindi ka tinipid din. Thank you. Sure. Thank you. So, ice cream muna kasi naglakad kami. Sobrang init guys. Ang init. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Spooky. I don't know kung local ice cream nila dito yun sa Thailand or Pattaya in specific. Pero we're gonna taste. Hi guys, we're now here at Hawaii. Joke lang. Sa Pattaya Beach kami ngayon. Sobrang low tide. Pero balak naman namin mag-swimming by morning tomorrow. Hi guys, so we're gonna swim for a bit. 6:15 PM na. Magko-close yung swimming pool ng 7 PM. And bukas na kami mag-beach na morning. We'll try to catch the sunrise. So, ayun, tapos mamaya baka mag-night market and dinner na lang. Tapos lakad around kasi daming ganap. Tapos magkakaroon pa ng concert dito para music festival later. So, sakto yung aming pagpunta. We're now here sa swimming pool. This is a rooftop swimming pool by the way. And kita nyo naman sa clip, sobrang ganda ng sunset. Tapos may music pa kasi nga may magko-concert sa baba, sa harap namin. And I really love this hotel. No, hindi ako makapili ano ba yung pinakamaganda sa mga na-check na namin. And we still have 2 pending na hotel to check out. Pagbalik naman namin ng Bangkok. So dito, sunset na guys. Sobrang ganda. Tapos kami lang yung tao sa pool. Alam mo yun, VIP yarn. But super grateful for this experience. And sobrang mura guys. Kung i-compare natin yung hotels sa Philippines, sa Thailand, it's really more affordable. Tapos sulit talaga with what you pay. So ayun, swim muna kami kasi mag 7 PM na, magko-close na ang pool na ito. At baka hindi na makaswimming bukas. Naghanap tayo ng mga street food dito sa Padaya. My first order is actually a donut. No? Pero mukhang masarap. Mura lang siya. Kasi natela na to. Wow.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we are here sa Terminal 21 Pattaya. It's a mall na airport inspired. So if you love traveling, definitely you're gonna love the mall. Grabe, yung CR nila. Sobrang laki. Ang aesthetic din. We're gonna try authentic Thai massage. Good morning. It's our last day here in Pattaya. We're gonna go to Nong Nuch, Sanctuary of Truth, and visit some cafe before going back to Bangkok. So just woke up tayo, so fit check. Yan lang tayo. Chill lang tayo. So medyo nakapag-recharge. So yung food trip kagabi. Hello guys! So we are now here at Sanctuary of Truth. Actually from the hotel, this is just around 12 minutes drive. So medyo mura din yung naging in-drive namin. For now, I'm sitting here. Rinig nyo ba ang mga kuliglig? Parang I feel like the birds are calling me. No? Anyway, this is our last day again sa Pattaya. Talagang dito ako nag-vlog kung saan medyo maingay. I hope this microphone will give justice. And later, we're gonna go back to Bangkok already. So, bumibili lang ng ticket ngayon. Let's explore Sanctuary of Truth.
Workshop, you're gonna see all behind the scenes before we conduct the rework inside the museum. This area is gonna be a bit noisy and dusty because we have the time to machine right over here and then the graphic, but graphic is very
So guys, pinapakita kung paano ginagawa yung mga structure.
The museum is very unique from the other places because we don't use any nails to lock the wood together. It's not
Hello guys, so we're now here inside the Sanctuary of Truth. Sobrang breathtaking. Literally, this is the best structure na nakita ko dito sa Thailand. And even sa ibang mga bansa. Grabe, nakailang shots na din ako ng videos and photos. Sobrang worth it. Ang entrance fee pala dito ay 500 baht. That's equivalent to around 800 pesos. So, sa mga Pinoy dyan, tara na dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. Anyway, nakaganito kami ngayon, no? Carpenter. Tama ba? Construction hat? Carpenter hat? Because may mga gumagawa dito. So, ikutin natin, guys. Ayan, as you can see dito sa left ko, tour guide yard. They also have tour guide, pero the good thing is, they are letting the tourists to have free will in taking photos and videos. Walang pressure, walang timer. So, ayan. Grabe yung structure, guys. This is all man-made. Kanina pinakita ko sa videos, on the previous videos, how they do it. Grabe, sobrang nakaka-amaze lalo knowing those facts, no? Yung process. Ang ganda niya. Nakita nyo ba yung sa labas? Pinakita ko. Dapat nakita nyo. Anyway, yun lang guys. I'm really loving this Sanctuary of Truth. The best so far. As in, nakagano'n lang ako kanina. Hello? Grabe guys. I think mga 1 hour na kami. Dito lang sa same spot na to. Ganun siya kaganda. No? I'm really blessed to be here. Wow. Tapos ang view dito, no? Tingnan nyo guys. Ay meron din siyang ocean view. Grabe. Sobrang ganda dito. Parang hindi na ako uwi. Hi guys! We're done with Sanctuary of Truth. Next stop naman namin ay Nong Nooch. But we're having a quick break lang. No? Ito ay Thai milk tea. We also ordered spring rolls. Medyo mas mahal lang dito. This is 100 baht. Pero typically, ang kanilang Thai milk tea is around 50 baht lang. So, ganun kamura dito sa Thailand. Dumadami na rin ang tao. Buti na lang maaga kami. I think we have 2 stops na lang din before we go back to Bangkok. Guys, here's the prize. Hi guys, so they also have a car museum. With unique designs. Yan sila so far. Meron pa sa kabila. Ang cute na, no? Literal Mini Cooper. We're back. Nag-iwan lang kami ng gamit dito sa hotel and we already booked in drive papunta sa bus terminal pabalik ng Bangkok. So it's already 2 PM plus. Medyo naghahabol kaming oras for Chatuchak Market pero I think hindi na kaya or mabibitin, so baka makancel na. And sad kasi weekends lang siya open. No, it's a weekend market na sobrang daming stalls. Hi guys, we're back in Bangkok. Kakarating lang namin at mag-6 PM na. Parang 2 hours plus din yung biyahe. Sa atin, mukha ni Mimi yan. Hi guys, we're back in Icon Siam. Hey guys, we're done swimming. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng